Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Jurassic app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Jurassic app, or just click on search. Then here at Jurassic app is going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, click here on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here. So then all you have to do, just click here on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store. Then here you search for Jurassic, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.